What is going on, guys? Thanks for tuning in to today's video. I just got out of the gym. It's hot, I'm sweaty, and it's pretty late. It's like 8 p.m. but we're gonna make this video. So today I'm going to try and do a data log to send to my tuner for Lund, because I'm trying to get on E85. So they sent me over an email, so I just have to find an area where I can do this. So I'm gonna drive and try and find a place, because I have to get on. Basically, this is the email that they sent me right here. So I don't know if you guys can actually read that, but yeah, I'm gonna try and data log so I can send this off to Lund, because I want to get tuned. And oh my gosh, that was a clean ass Mustang. I think it was a barricade, like from Transformers. Yeah, they hold decals and everything. But yeah, so I'm gonna try and find an area where I can do all of this, because I have to do like a second or third year pool. So it should be pretty fun, because I'm still trying to get accustomed to this car as well. My shifting is not super on point just quite yet. I know when I drove a 2016 Mustang, it was a little different, but I'm getting there. She sounds so good, guys. I'll kind of give it a little bit on its on a ton of piles. She sounds so good. Like I said, for y'all that don't know, maybe y'all are new to the channel, this is a 2018 Mustang GT. We have, basically, I am full bolt-ons. I have a JLT cold air intake. We have American Racing long tube headers, and we have a Corsa Sport exhaust. I also have a short throw shifter on my car. We also have, what is it? Basically, we have full bolt-on, so I'm just trying to get this tuned so I can go on E85, so I can make, I'm trying to go for 500 horsepower to the wheels. That was the whole intent and goal of me getting this car. So that is what we are trying to do. So little downshift. Sounds so good. It's like when I pass other cars, she just echoes off other cars. That sounds so good. It is so hot here in Texas. I think we finally had like a little small, if that's what you want to call it, cold front that came in, and it's 93 degrees. I'll take it, honestly. Like, it doesn't feel super bad outside. I know, let me close the windows here. I noticed some of y'all might be like, what the hell? But it's literally been triple digits weather over here for the past, I want to say, month. Like, it's just been super just disgusting and excruciating. Like, it's, I don't know. I love Texas, but at the same time, like, I hate these summers, because we always get that stupid like heat dome over us, and it just makes it just very unideal. So hopefully I don't heat soak or anything as I try to do this data log. Alrighty guys, so I found a just random kind of like empty parking lot, I guess, because this car is loud. So turn this fan it says car get to start the log, let it idle for 3 to 5 minutes, then rev to 1500 RPM, hold for 10 to 15 seconds, then do the same for 2500 RPM and 3500 RPM. So keep the engine running and proceed to drive it. In second or third gear, do a couple slow RPM climbs from 25,000 to 5,000 RPM. Do not go wide open throttle. Stay part throttle, then do one second gear or third gear, 25,000 to 72,000 RPM wide open log. Come to a stop, let it idle for 1 to 2 minutes. Stop the log, save it. It'll be a log, but it'll give him good info. So that is what we're gonna do. Car, as you can see, is at operating temperature because I had to drive all the way over here. So I'm gonna go into my little app here. So this is what it's called, whatever. So we're gonna hit start, plug in, make sure it's okay. Yep, it's gonna connect to my little tuning device. Hopefully this works. Sometimes this thing can be kind of finicky. All right, so data log is started. Tap on gauge to get full screen. All right, so it is currently 8:23. So I said to let it idle for what, 3 to 5 minutes. So I'm just gonna let the car idle here. I guess I'll kind of give you guys a walk around of the car too while we're letting it idle here. Oh my God, I hit legs today and I am so sore right now. So, little update. So, I got the wheels for the car. I went and got the wheels put on, 275s. I'm running up front with the H-E flow form. Haven't lowered the car yet. The next thing I'm gonna be doing is getting some BC Racing coilovers because I can stick about 3 fingers in here and I don't like that. So definitely has to get lowered. I need to wash her again. I washed her, but you know how that is with these dark color cars. 305s in the rear, big meaty girls. That's the idle. Yeah, guys, she sounds good. She looks good too. So she's a little dirty. Got the GT500 front bumper on her. Look at that. She looks mean as hell. It was a long time coming, and we still have some modifications to do to the car, so she's not fully just dialed in just quite yet. But she is definitely getting there. What happened here? Alrighty guys, so I didn't know that when you're data logging, word of advice, just forewarning, like stay in the data log. You can't exit out or like go to a different app or anything, or else it completely stops the data log. So once you get on it, stay on it. If you have an Apple Watch, I recommend you just pull it up via there so you know what to do. We got another minute, should be any second now. It's getting late. All right, so we're gonna do 1500 RPM. This is a lot right there's a sweet spot. Great. And I keep having this low engine oil pressure thing coming up, so hopefully it doesn't short out on me. All right, so let's go drive. difficult. We'll see, because anytime my light comes on here, it limits the power. I don't know why. I guess it's a safety thing in order to protect the car. So I have to like clear the code, what I can't get out of data logging, or else I'll have to start all over, and I don't want to have to do that. So hopefully she'll play nice. Let's see right here. No, it's limiting me. Yeah, it's limiting me. So I'll have to try this another time, because I can't, it's cutting the power.
Yeah, feel me. I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.